What if I told you that right now, people around the world are making money using artificial intelligence without factories, without huge investments, and sometimes without even leaving their homes? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. Artificial intelligence is creating one of the biggest business opportunities in modern history. And the people who understand AI early may build massive businesses in the future. But here comes the biggest question. What are the best AI business ideas? And how can normal people start making money with artificial intelligence? Let's understand the complete reality. First of all, you need to understand that AI is not just one tool. It is an entire revolution. Right now, artificial intelligence can write articles, create videos, generate images, build websites, answer customer questions, edit audio, design logos, create marketing content, and even automate business work that normally takes hours. That is why companies around the world are rapidly adopting AI tools to save time, reduce costs, and increase profits. And because of that, completely new business opportunities are appearing every single day. One of the most popular AI business ideas right now is AI content creation. People are using AI to create YouTube videos, blogs, social media posts, scripts, voiceovers, and marketing content. Businesses constantly need content, and AI makes the process much faster. Another powerful idea is AI graphic design. Even people without professional design skills can now create logos, posters, thumbnails, advertisements, and social media graphics using AI tools. Many freelancers are already making good money with this.
AI website building is also growing rapidly. Small businesses often need websites, but many owners do not know coding AI website tools. Now help people create professional websites quickly, which creates another business opportunity.
Then comes AI video editing, which is exploding online. Right now, creators, brands, and companies need short videos, advertisements, reels, and promotional content. AI editing tools can make this process faster and easier than ever before. Another massive opportunity is AI chatbots. Businesses want automatic customer support systems for websites, WhatsApp, Instagram, and online stores. AI chatbots help companies answer customer questions 24 hours a day without hiring large support teams. And honestly, this is only the beginning. Some people are building AI-powered marketing agencies. Others are selling AI-generated ebooks online. Some are creating AI music, AI art, AI courses, or even AI automation services for companies. The biggest reason AI business opportunities are growing so fast is because businesses want speed. And artificial intelligence increases speed dramatically. But here is something important many people do not understand. Using AI alone is not enough. The real money comes when you combine AI with creativity, communication, and problem solving. Because thousands of people may use the same AI tools, but the people who understand business, marketing, and customer needs usually succeed the most. Now, another important question. Can someone start an AI business without coding? Yes, absolutely. Many modern AI tools are designed for beginners. Some platforms allow people to create videos, websites, graphics, and automation systems without writing complicated code. But honestly, competition is also increasing very fast. Every day, more people are entering the AI space trying to build businesses, content channels, and digital services. That is why consistency matters more than motivation. And experts believe artificial intelligence will continue transforming industries like education, healthcare, marketing, finance, entertainment, e-commerce, customer service, and software development. That means AI business opportunities may become even larger in the coming years. So if you are someone who enjoys technology, creativity, business, or digital work, this may be one of the most important times to learn artificial intelligence, because AI is no longer science fiction. It is already changing how companies operate, how creators make content, and how people build businesses. And the people who understand this shift early may create massive opportunities for themselves in the future.